During a high-profile award show rehearsal, Viola Davis accidentally found herself wearing the wrong costume meant for another performance. The distinctive bright outfit was quite uncharacteristic, catching everyone's attention and sparking laughter. Instead of letting it derail her confidence, Davis embraced the mishap with poise, showcasing her characteristic humor and charm. Her witty comments turned the potential ordeal into a highlight of the evening, making the moment memorable for all in attendance. The incident quickly went viral, emphasizing how even seasoned celebrities can transform unexpected blunders into delightful experiences. Davis's ability to laugh at herself endeared her to fans, reinforcing her relatable and grounded image.